What's up guys, it's Ben here, crew writer for The Courier. Today we're going to be interviewing students, and we thought since the artificial issue is about to come out, we would interview students about their AI usage, and then we would put them to the test and see if they can figure out which images are real and which images are AI generated. So we're just going to look around the library today, see if we can find some people and talk to them. Griffin, first off, have you ever used AI like ChatGPT for school?
For school specifically, I have not used it for any of my classes.
Once in second year when it first came out, I used it to grab a few starter sources for a project.
Yeah.
And then I learned more about it, and I have not questioned it since.
Like ChatGPT
No,
for
it's
school?
not.
No?
No.
Good. That's the correct answer.
I use it for very oddly specific questions that I could not find answers to anywhere to come up with a idea. But I've only probably ever done that twice, and that was for my own personal ideas.
I mentioned that I use it for citations and references to make my citations, and I've also used it for like schedule development of certain projects just to figure out timing and stuff, and it's very useful.
Where would you personally draw the line, not necessarily for yourself, between using AI just to help versus actually cheating? Where do you kind of draw that line?
I think that AI should not be seen on the final output of a project.
If it is simply a choice of poor time management and just not wanting to do it, you should not use that at all. If it's a situation of you cannot find any resources off of a very specific question, I could understand that, but it should be formatted as a sense of like a tool to help rather than here's exactly the answer that you just copy paste. It should be used as a tool, not as the answer itself.
I personally prefer that it doesn't get used at all for other reasons, but I think if you don't see it in the final result, then you should be fine cheating once.
Do you think that it actually helps you learn? Or do you think it's more of like a crutch just to help things go faster?
I think it can be a bit of both. I think you can definitely learn it to summarize things if you're in a time crunch. Like let's say you're studying and you have a big heap of notes that you need to go through and you want to make the key points really quick. I think it can be useful. I don't think in terms of critical thinking or like genuine creativity it's that good for learning, but I think in like small things it's okay, especially when you're in a time crunch.
Did you feel guilty about using it, or did you feel like it was sort of justified?
I felt guilty using it. In my research, I could not find any precise answer, and then the result it gave me did not feel like it sufficed to the thing I was looking for, which didn't make me feel any better as well.
Right. Do you think, in general, professors are able to tell when students are using AI or not?
I think to some extent, yes, but I think it's getting more difficult to distinguish.
No, I think that they can tell when students are using AI really badly.
True. Do you think it's easier to detect AI in writing or in images?
I'd probably say
Images?
images.
Well, we're going to put it to the test because I have a bunch of images that one is real and one is AI
Okay.
generated. So we're going to start with this picture of the Northern Lights here. Which do you think is AI generated?
That reflection looks weird. I'm gonna say that one.
AI.
I think the one on the left.
Like the one on the left is AI generated.
Yes! You got it. It's the other one.
Oh shit.
Next we got some cute animals. I'm still not exactly sure what they are supposed to be. Armadillos? I don't know.
I think they're pangolins.
Oh, okay. I think you're right, actually. I feel like this one's easier.
Okay, well, hold on. This one looks like a diorama, but I think this one's AI generated.
But which one is real?
The one on the left still feels fake.
I'm
But
gonna say this one.
Yeah, that is the AI
That's
generated. I feel like the animal ones are more
Obvious. They tried to make the face too cute.
We're gonna go on to the one of the frogs now. You got two frogs. Yeah.
I feel like this one doesn't feel real on the right.
The one on the right?
Yeah.
I think
Left frog?
one. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It's actually the one on the left is AI
Yeah.
generated. But this one is tricky. I think really only the last one is difficult, but we got some
Ooh, that's a
frogs.
difficult one.
Yeah, there aren't really any signs that point to one or the other.
AI.
Wrong.
Oh dang
But this one is my favorite. You got some actual people. I think it makes it tougher.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
I think this one's AI generated.
The one on the right?
Yeah, the one on the right.
I would say the left one, maybe.
I'm gonna go A.
You're correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Good job. It's interesting, like, I feel like B is just a stock photo,
Yeah.
but A, like, the actual quality of the photo is, like, better. So it kind of trips you up a bit.